All right, we're going up on this thing. I want to show you exactly what we have going on right now. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you know that we did another video. On Friday, I will download this entire video and it will be on by Saturday for everybody to see. So this is the start. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all my new subscribers. We look forward to talking to you. Listen, you can call us up if you need to call us. 910-294-1761. Good possibility we'll come to your house within 15 hours of 28461. All right, getting ready to start this mobile home. Somebody's already been here and put rubber on it. So until we get it off, figure out what's going on, I want to be super careful walking on it. I want to show you what would happen, or what does happen on some of these mobile homes. Is that right there? They've been having problems with their seams on this roof, so they cold sealed it about 1,000,000 times. And this is what happens when somebody walks on it and the seam comes apart. So this one here is in rough shape. Rough shape. But I don't think it's anything we can't handle. We've been in bad situations before. So if your roof is falling apart, whew, sorry, I just walked up the ladder, I'm about to die. If your roof is falling apart and you have a mobile home and somebody's come up here and they tried to do this or that to it. Yeah, just get a ladder right there, Matt, right there, please. This might be what it looks like. You can't just take rubber and put it up on top of a mobile home. Yeah, I wouldn't, Chris. You can't just put rubber up on top of a mobile home and think you got a good roof. You cannot do it. So this one's in pretty rough shape. All right, holes all the way through. So basically, what we're here to do is save this house. And, there we go. Well, there's no plywood on that. It's just metal. That's why.
There's a couple slats in between.
Right, not a lot. So here we are, people. This is a taste of what we're going to do. Just a little taste. Grab that rubber and pull it back like Chris is. That way.
He's trying to evolve.
Okay.
I found there's no roof at this end.
I know. It's bad shape.
Rough completely.
This should have been done a long time ago.
Stay on the raft.
Just remember the seams are broken. All right, so I'm going to download this video here in just a minute. Give you an idea where we're at and what we're getting ready to start. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. We do a lot of mobile home rubber. And this is one of them. We're going to have to add some vents on this thing. Awesome. Here we go, guys. All right, so you see what we have to start with. Not a lot. Not a lot. Tree fell on it. Pretty bad right there. Whoever did this rubber roof kind of just put it up here and glued the edges down, but they didn't even put termination bar or anything. They just kind of made a wreck of it. So if your mobile home is in this bad a shape, do not worry about it. Listen, it can be fixed. And we're about to show you how today. She's bad. She's bad. She's rough, Billy. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We do travel to do this, so if your address is within 10 hours or so from 28461, we'd be willing to come to you.
I'm not walking all the way back across that.
Yeah, she's a rough one. Yes, sir, buddy. Yeah. I love it. Yeah. Yeah, that big belly.
You coming down, Drew, or you gonna go?
Not right this minute. All right, people. So here we are. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. We are getting ready to start it. Gonna get rid of this.
This would be a perfect one to do our slats on.
All right, Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. And yeah, if your mobile home looks like this, don't worry about it. We can fix this crap. This is one of the crappiest ones, I have to say. We've been on for a while. One of the crappiest ones. And this is what we have to start with. So we look forward to y'all watching our videos and hopefully learning what we got going on here. This is pretty messy, but when you see what we do, I think you'll be amazed. Oops, sorry about that. Check us out. Ooh, she's a mess. Yeah, nothing over here.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, they got power inside?
We'll have to check that out, buddy. I didn't even think about power.
The only thing was holding is a couple of 16 nails.
Yeah, we'll add a 1x across there. All right, people.
Wow.
This is a bad one.
Where's the load?
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Oh, it's not the worst one me and your daddy seen. Let me tell you. We went to New Jersey and did one. That one was a mess. And it was a double wide. This is single wide with a porch. Pretty cool porch on here too. They got bunk beds in there. It's really awesome where that ceiling area is right there. So this is a mobile home. And we're gonna get ready to start. Because of the condition, just purely because of conditions, we're gonna go ahead and put strapping on it. Friday, I will be downloading this video Friday. So make sure you come back and watch.
Where you at?
Hopefully by Friday, everybody will be impressed with what this thing looks like.
There you go.
All right, guys, here we are. This is the start. Give you an idea of what it looks like. It's a freaking mess. We did one in New Jersey that was a lot worse than this. Look at the holes. Be careful if you get up on a roof like this and start walking on it. Dangerous. You want to know that you're walking on a rafter. Don't get your feet on anything else. So check back Friday for a new video. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair installing a rubber roof on this place in Bolivia, North Carolina. My actual zip code where I live is 28461. If you want to get an idea of how far we'll go, within about 15 hours. If you're within 15 hours of me, we can come do your rubber roof. So keep watching. Thanks for subscribing. We appreciate all the new subscribers. We've got 750 new subscribers in 28 days. There's got to be a reason for it, and I'm going to say it's because the quality of work we do and what we do. So this mobile home right here is a freaking mess, and we're going to fix it.